In this question, you have to identify the enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogens to fibrins. Option A, thrombokinase. It is incorrect. Thrombokinase converts prothrombin into thrombin, but it is the thrombin that directly converts fibrinogen into fibrin and not thrombokinase. Option B, thrombin. Thrombin is the enzyme responsible for converting fibrinogen, which is an inactive soluble plasma proteins, into fibrin, which is active and insoluble protein during blood clotting process. And fibrin forms a mesh that helps in the formation of blood clot to stop bleeding. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, renin. It is incorrect. It is an enzyme involved in regulating blood pressure by converting angiotensinogen into angiotensin. That is a part of the renin angiotensin aldosterone system, that is RAS. And it has no role in conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. Option D, epinephrine. It is also incorrect. It is a hormone and neurotransmitter involved in the fight or flight response, but it is not involved in the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin.